love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Today I'll be continuing my series on editing video with iMovie by showing you how to use transitions. The first thing you need to do is open iMovie and then open your project. Transitions are preset movements or animations that are used to break up scenes. With no transitions, clips will play one after the other. Although transitions can be used to enhance your video, I wouldn't use too many of them because they can be distracting to the viewer. To add a transition, tap the symbol in between the two clips. This is the theme transition. Let's see what it looks like. Notice the sound effect. All transitions have sound effects, but some of them are turned off by default. To change the transition, tap the transition symbol again and select another transition. Here's the dissolve transition. Next, the slide transition. This is one of my favorites. Also notice you can adjust the length of the transition and turn the sound effects on or off. Here's the wipe transition. And the fade transition. To add additional transitions to your videos, check out the YouTube card on screen now. If you have a problem or this does not work for you, leave a comment below so I can help you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.